guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can favorite a sound on the Snack Video application. You can either click on this sort of vinyl icon on the bottom right corner, or click on this like music original sound thingy over here. And to add it to your favorite, you're just going to press favorite, and where it's saved, let's just go back and go to profile. So go and press the profile page on the bottom right corner, and just press on this like sort of bookmark icon on the top right here. And if you go to music, if you go to music, it'll show the sound that you have favorited on the Snack Video app. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!